Hi, I'm Lauren Weatherford, WVU Extension Agent in Family and Community Development covering Fayette and Nicholas counties. Today we're going to talk about smart holiday spending. There's a lot of economic bad news this holiday season. Inflation is rising and expected to keep rising. Recession is possible and our biggest spending is just ahead. Food prices are up 13.5%. Clothing has increased 5.2%. And gas prices, never mind. In a recent survey, 84% of shoppers said they would try to save money this season, and 40% said they would be buying less items. The end result? Shoppers are expecting to pay more and buy less. With the pinch getting tighter, here are some tips for managing your spending this holiday season. First, be wary of credit cards. Currently, the average credit card interest rate is 19%, the highest ever recorded, and it could go even higher. This means paying off your balance could take longer and be much more costly. If you use a credit card for holiday spending, try to pay it off each month, avoiding interest charges. Plan, and then plan some more. When I talk about money management, the key is always planning. When it comes to holiday spending, you need to do your homework. First thing, set a budget. Decide how much you can spend and then stick to it. Make a list. Identify what you need to buy, for whom, and how much you can spend on each item and stick to it. This year, think critically about the extras. If you don't have to buy or spend, then maybe just don't. Put yourself on the list so you get a little something too. But avoid the indulgent splurge. Don't forget to include food, decorations, and extras like gift wrap. Make sure you include everything you think you'll spend. You want to do some research when you get ready to spend? Holiday sales started at the end of September this year. When you identify what you need to buy, then start looking in the advertisements and online, and then see which items may be on sale when. Plan to buy it before the sale runs out or they run out of stock. Use coupons, card rewards, savings apps, or any discounts that you can find. It might be helpful to incorporate technology. There are budgeting, spending, and tracking apps that can help you manage what you have, what you are spending, and how much you have left. If you shop early, avoid the pitfall of last-minute shopping. Once you purchase what you need, don't get any more. And be careful in December. That's when most people tend to overspend. Spreading out your spending over the next few months can make it easier to pay off bills. Use cash if possible instead of cards. There's no added interest rates and no charges next month. Shopping online can save you time and gas, but compare prices and look for sales. Make sure you have anything shipped before the end of free shipping. This year, that date is December 14th. For parties and groups, consider assigning secret Santas. Make it a game, have some fun, add a little mystery. Potlucks and bringing your own beverage are great ways to save money, and you might find a new favorite recipe. And lastly, one of my favorite things, alternatives to expensive gifts. Consider giving the gift of time. Babysit, help around the house, run some errands. Think of things you're good at and see if you can't use your skills and knowledge to help someone else. Instead of a fancy dinner, ask a friend to volunteer with you. Go for a free holiday concert or event. Use your knowledge and skills. What are your special talents? Can you make someone's life a little brighter by doing something for them that you're good at? Are you good at organizing, fixing things, giving a personal cooking lesson? There's always DIY gifts. Gather family recipes into a book. Write down family traditions or history. Make a memory playlist. The internet abounds with great ideas like this and all sorts of crafts. Consider repurposing old items or finding the perfect gift secondhand. Give an experience instead of a thing. Take a trip, go to a concert or a museum, have a game night. With a little bit of planning and determination, and even a little creativity, you can navigate these tough financial times with a lovely and meaningful holiday season. Good luck!